Hi, bright learners! Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's get to know a unique diagraph that makes two sounds. O and W says O and equally says ow. So when O and W appear at the end of words, it says O. But when it appears at the middle of words, it says ow. Let's not forget that sometimes when it appears at the end of words, it says ow also. Let's blend. Ow! How? So from this word now, O and W is at the end, but says ow. Let's blend again. Ow! How? Next we have b, a low, below. It appears at the end of the word here and says O. Next, we have ow, wow. It's at the end of word and says ow here. Ow, wow. Fr, own. Here at the middle of this word and says ow. Fr, own, frown. Next, we have own, how at the middle and says ow. We have sh, oh, show, sh, oh, show, v, ow, vow, ow, vow, gl, oh, glow, gl, oh, glow, ow, mow, oh, mow, through, oh, throw, through, oh, throw, ow, now, ow, now. Next, own, town, own, town, oh, blow, oh, blow, gr, ow, growl, gr, ow, growl, cr, own, crown, cr, own, crown, oh, snow, oh, snow, ow, 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 d, own, down, d, own, down, t, hour, tower, t, hour, tower. Lastly, we have sh, shower, sh, shower. We've come to the end of this unique diagram. Wherever you see it, don't let it trick you. Just know that it makes two sounds, O and ow. Thank you for joining this blending section. Keep practicing and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!